Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmate. My name is Momar C. Rasuman Jr. My report is about SCMD, Organizational Structure Mandate. There are 4 types of structure mandate. Number 1 is formulate and implement policies and criteria in the evaluation of canin services. Formulating and implementing policies and criteria for evaluating canin service involves creating a structure framework to assess the quality, effectiveness, and ethical standards of this service. Canin service can include pet, grooming, training, boarding, veterinary care, search and rescue, therapy dogs, and law enforcement canine units. Ang meaning ani ma'am kay ang mga na-involved sa nagtrabaho sa mga welfare ma'am kay nag-train silang dog para ma-rescue nila ang mga kung dapat i-rescue sa ilang lugar ma'am. Train silang dog na pang vision sa ilang lugar ma'am para sa mga krimen ma'am. Kani ma'am kay gina-tolerate nila ma'am para sa ilang lugar ma'am para na for safety o security pa sa ilang lugar ma'am. Ang ilang gina-train ma'am kay mga ero na mga canine ma'am. Bali, the second one is responsible for the insurance of license to operate and evaluation canin services. The meaning of responsible for the insurance of license to operate in evaluation canin services is to operate and the evaluation of canin services typically falls under government agencies, regulatory bodies, and professional organizations. These entities ensure that canin service providers meet established standards for quality, safety, and ethical treatment of animals. Ang meaning ani ma'am kay nagabuhat sila naga-train sila mga dogs ma'am for sa ilang safety ma'am. Bali kung tayo kung naitabo sa lugar ma'am kay naitabo sa lugar tapos dili makitaan sa mga pulis ma'am, bali ilang ginagamit ma'am kay ang ero ma'am for searching the bodies ma'am for kung namatay na bodies ma'am. Then ginagamit po nila ni ma'am pangbantay silang pangbantay silang police station ma'am ana or para mag-meet ang mga professional for mag-meet ang mga professional, bali dala nila mga ero ma'am for safety ma'am. Then ginalagaan po nila ni tarong ma'am for ang mga animal ma'am bago nila i-train ma'am. Bali the third one is formulate and implement policies, guidelines, and procedures in the supervision, selection, training, employment, deployment, and handling of canin industry. The meaning of this is managing the canin industry requires structured policies to regulate the supervision, selection, training, employment, deployment, and handling of dogs for various services including law enforcement, search and rescue, security, therapy, and assistance. Bali ang meaning ani ma'am kay gina-manage nila ma'am kung unsa kadaghan ilang gina-train na dogs para sa ilang mga search na mga krimen ma'am. for ma'am, for searching for bodies, ma'am. Bali bali ang definition ni ma'am kay nag-oversight ang mga dogs para sa responsibility for silang mga trabaho, ma'am. Ay gina-train jud nilang maayo, ma'am, ang mga iro jud, ma'am. The fourth one is maintain and update the database of all registered and certified canine service. The meaning of this is a well-maintained database of registered and certified canine service ensures transparency, efficiency, and compliance with industry standards. This database is essential for tracking service providers, verifying credentials, and monitoring the quality of canine-related operation. Ang meaning ani ma'am kay kina-maintain nila ang dogs para sa ma'am, sa for safety sa mga dogs po, ma'am. Kung gina-update po nila ang mga database kung na-train na ba ang mga dogs para for undergo na lang para maano na nila ang trabaho sa mga dogs, ma'am. Chief SCMD, Assistant Chief, Chief Clerk. There are 4 types, including the Chief Clerk. The first one is registration and accreditation section meaning. The registration and accreditation section is a specialized division within a regulatory agency, professional organization, or governing body responsible for processing, verifying, and maintaining records of individuals, businesses, and organizations involved in a specific industry. Ang meaning ani ma'am kay mo ni ang mga registered na mga na-train nilag mga dog for accreditation sections, ma'am, for specific na para ma-verify jud na registered ang mga iro, ma'am, bago sabak sa ma'am, sa trabaho, ma'am. The second one is evaluation section. The evaluation section is a division within a regulatory body or organization responsible for assessing, monitoring, and ensuring the quality, compliance, and effectiveness of canine service. Ang meaning ani ma'am kay evaluate sila sa mga na-train nila na iro, ma'am, para ma-monitor nila, ma'am, ang mga kusog ani ma'am, mga strength sa mga iro, ma'am. Bali gina-assist nila maayo, ma'am, ang na-train nila mga iro, ma'am, for effectiveness. And the third one is monitoring and inspection section meaning. And the monitoring and inspection section is a division within a regulatory agency or professional body responsible for overseeing, updating, enforcing compliance with industry standards, laws, and regulation in the canine service industry. This section ensures that all registered accredited canine service providers such as dog training centers, boarding facilities, veterinary clinics, security canine units, and therapy dog programs maintain high standards of safety, ethics, and quality service. The last one is plans, training, and development section meaning. The plans, training, and development section is a division within a regulatory agency, professional organization, or business responsible for strategic planning, workforce training, and continuous development of canine service providers, handlers, and working dogs. And this section ensures that industry professionals and canines receive up-to-date education, skill enhanced, and performance improvements to maintain high standard in the canine service industry. Ang pasabot ani niya ma'am kay kaning plans training and development section ma'am kay nagaplan na sila og para ma-train nila ang dog for the workforce ma'am, for training ma'am. Then ginahandle nila maayo ma'am ang mga working dogs ma'am para mas bago isulod ma'am kay ginaano jud nila ma'am, gina-train jud nila maayo ma'am. Bali gina-check pod nila ni ma'am ang mga skills enhancement sa mga dogs ma'am, kung unsay weakness ani or unsay kuan ni ma'am kanang weakness or mga kinatatakutan ma'am. Bali gina-maintain nila og high standard ang mga dogs ma'am para for safety jud ma'am. And that's all, thank you.